In this real review of ParaMountZ traffic from Mosh Bari, launching today, June 23rd, 2021 on WarriorPlus, we're going to take a look at the sales page. We're actually going to buy it, and we're going to put it to the test and understand how this is going to work for us to get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 premium sources, how we can enjoy a hands-off automated business, the fact that we don't need to create any content or need any technical skills to use this app and to make money using this app, and how there's nothing to learn or set up and we can start earning today, and the simple fact that all we need to do to see results like this is 3 simple steps to accessing unlimited buyer traffic. Step 1, log into your ParaMountZ account. Step 2, copy and paste any link to promote. Enter your link to any landing page, sales page, e-commerce store, affiliate offer, or app download. Not sure what to promote? Choose from a list of the hottest affiliate offers on the market right now, all in one click and from right within the app. Step 3, press send and start earning. Watch our advanced algorithm reel in high quality buyers from 300 premium traffic sources by top marketers. So back up to the top, let's scroll down here and let's click on this button, but let's do it this way. Let's open that in a new tab, and then let's go access our new tab by scrolling our mouse off the screen, and yes, check if there's a different button where we can actually get a discount. So the price here is $17 for ParaMountZ Premium, but if we go back after we scrolled off the screen, we can actually use this button, open that link in a new tab, and we can purchase it for $12. Now, they have what's called a order bump or an inline upsell. Have a done-for-you money-making site preloaded with funnel builder application and automatic traffic generation for an additional $9.99. ParaMountZ, get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 different traffic sources with this groundbreaking one-click traffic app. No marketing or tech experience needed. Perfect for new marketers who want to start earning today. Nothing to learn or set up. Start earning today by simply scrolling down to get these results in 3 simple steps. Log into our account, copy and paste any link to promote, press send and start earning. But there is an upsell or an inline order bump, and the reason I'm going into such detail on this is it speaks to the vendor and the sales page and the simple fact that we were told we were going to get unlimited traffic, nothing to do, 1 click, 3 steps, but now we have an offer before we even purchase to have it done for us to build a money-making site preloaded with funnel builder application and automatic traffic generation. So what am I spending $12 on? Let's find out. So the purchase is in process right there, or that purchase is being processed. And then of course, ParaMountZ, unlock unlimited free buyers in 1 click. So now I have an upsell for unlimited and unlock and scale. Again, go back to the main page. What am I buying? What did I spend my $12 on? Let's go ahead, scroll down here and take a look real quick. ParaMountZ Infinite Edition. Unlimited buyers, unlock 100 extra sources, unlock unlimited campaigns, unlock unlimited accounts, scale to 5 figures a day, unlock unlimited traffic, remove all restrictions and limitations. Let's go back to the main sales page where we were going to get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 sources with 1 click. No mention of restrictions anywhere on the sales page, and we spent $12. Don't forget there was the inline upsell for done-for-you money-making site that was going to be preloaded for us. And now, of course, there's a $20 discount because I exited off the screen. We'll close that because ParaMountZ Limitless is now offering us more unlimited traffic. I don't know that there's such a thing. But anyway, what we'll do is we will simply move on. And I'm going to do one more thing real quick. While we're here in the funnel, we'll scroll down and you can see all the details here. But what I want to show you is once you get to the bottom of this, there's a no thanks, let me pass this. You can simply click that button. Of course, you're going to be offered a discount. You have to click it again. Then you have to click no thanks, show me something else. Open that in a new tab just so we keep track of where we are in this process. Step 3, add done for you traffic, sales to your order. So now he has a video here telling us how he's going to add done for you traffic to our order, and they're going to set it all up. Of course, we all remember what the sales page originally told us that we were getting for 17, then of course after we got our $5 discount for exiting, 12, that we were getting unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 different sources with this one-click groundbreaking traffic app. So before we go any further into the funnel, I'm going to log into my WarriorPlus account and I'm going to go to my purchase history. And I'm going to see here that I got ParaMountZ DS Premium for $12. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click it, and I'm going to log in and just show you the product by clicking Access Your Purchase. Thank you for purchasing ParaMountZ. Click here for registration. There is a link here to a support desk. That links out to Mosh Bari's help desk. And in case you missed the updates, check below. Again, before we even access the product that was supposed to give us traffic sources, unlimited traffic from 300 sources, we're offered again, unlock unlimited, more unlimited, done for you traffic. Again, we were supposed to be able to get all of this traffic from these 300 sources, and it was supposed to be easy, nothing to create, just click, which we're going to see here in a minute. Now we're told that we can put ParaMountZ on autopilot for traffic and sales while we sleep. For the anonymous luxury edition, that is where I get confused in funnels like these, with products like these, how you can just constantly be upsold. The fact that you can get the lazy rich edition, the limitless edition. I guess limitless is unlimited on steroids. But again, at this point, let's see what we got for our $12. Click here for registration. After we signed up, now we're inside ParaMountZ, where we're going to get all of our traffic, so we can take a look and understand exactly what's going on. Inside of our dashboard, we have the latest deals from JVZoo. We also have the latest deals from ClickBank, and that is our dashboard where we can find all the great offers. Here you can click on Grab the Deals. If you click on that link, it takes you to the affiliate page for this product, Drippler Pro Commercial, where at that point you would need to log into your JVZoo account, fill out this form, and request approval to see if you would actually get approved to promote that by Dr. Amit Parikh. Of course, you'd have to do your due diligence, understand what Drippler Pro is before you start promoting it. And same down here, latest deals from ClickBank. Here you can click Grab Deals. It'll take you to the hop link generator. And if you have a ClickBank account, you can put in your account nickname and your tracking ID and generate your hop link. But it doesn't really tell you anything about what the product is, how well it converts, any information about being an affiliate for the offer. Nothing is there. Here, we're going to move on. ParaMountZ, import your account. Here's where you log in, because this is where your traffic comes from. Your traffic comes from Facebook. Search deals, deals from JVZoo, deals from WarriorPlus, deals from ClickBank. Again, click on deals from WarriorPlus, just like we saw on the dashboard. You're literally just going to see a list of products with the ability to go to the affiliate page. You don't know anything about these products. You don't know how well they convert. You don't know about the refund rate. You don't know any of that detail. Then we have here a page builder where we can click Create New. And then we have the ability to choose from templates to create pages. But at this stage, again, I'm confused. I know I get confused a lot when I go through these funnels, but you have to bear with me because I'm going by what they say. And what they said on the main sales page was, get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 different traffic sources with this groundbreaking one-click traffic app. Nothing to learn or set up. Start earning today. 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into our ParaMountZ account. I did that. Step 2, copy and paste any link to promote. Enter your link to any landing page, sales page, e-com, affiliate, offer, or other app. Of course, it does have the links to all the offers there from WarriorPlus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. But step 3 was for me to press send and start earning. Watch our advanced algorithm reel in high-quality buyers from 300 premium traffic sources used by top marketers. But now they have a page builder inside of here where I'm having to build a squeeze page. So let's go to social share. Share your page to 100 sources. Select a page. So we have to build a page first, then we can get the unlimited traffic from the 300, or in this case, only 100 sources, which is to share to social media or WhatsApp or Nextdoor or Dig. Scroll down through here. Share to Hacker News, Instapage, Skype, Naver, Baidu, Skyrock. Scroll down a little further. Twitch, Spreely, Classmates, River Bee Nation, or Snapfish. So there is our magic, awesome traffic source. Again, step 3, press send and start earning. Watch our advanced algorithm reel in high quality buyers from 300 premium traffic sources used by top marketers when I only actually got 100. Scroll further down the page, enter the traffic impulse algorithm. So I took out another loan to develop a beta software that would give me all the traffic I needed. $7,493 later, the traffic impulse algorithm was born. Tapping into hundreds of traffic sources with just one click, bringing in visitors and sales almost instantly, requiring zero skill to operate. Weeding out the garbage traffic so I could only got the hottest buyers running in the background without needing my time or attention. Unlimited traffic and sales. Days like these started to become normal. And then there is a screenshot of Mosh Bari's WarriorPlus account that shows you how much money he makes from selling products like this on WarriorPlus. If you need to see that, you can go back up here to the sales video where he walks you through his WarriorPlus account and shows you the details, and you can see his vendor sales of him selling products like ParaMountZ. But back to the product and what we spent our $12 on. Here is our 100 sources when we were told we were going to get 3. Here's our Facebook poster. We can post to Facebook after we import our Facebook account and get traffic. Of course, if you want to post to your Facebook account, you could do that for free, or if you do it the way you're supposed to and you use Facebook for business, you can go here and Facebook will give you a plan and walk you through how to use Facebook to actually promote your business online. Everything you need here, all the training is all here, how to connect with your customers on their favorite platform, and it lays out the details of how to do that. And you do that by going in and creating and sharing and scheduling posts on Facebook and Instagram inside of your Facebook Business Suite, which offers a variety of tools to help you manage your presence across Facebook and Instagram all in one place. With Business Suite, you can save time by scheduling your posts on both Facebook and Instagram. Facebook gives you those tools to run a business, to promote your business on their platform. Here you move down to Subscriber Manager. Here you can set up and you can run SMS. Of course, if you want to run SMS campaigns, you're going to have to come in here and coming down to SMS marketing, and then you need to connect to Twilio, Pilvio, Clicktel, Neximo to set up and actually do SMS. Of course, log into Twilio, check their pricing for SMS. You'll need to scroll down, select your country, and then you'll need to figure out how much you're going to have to pay as you go to actually send out SMS. Here is how much it's going to cost for local numbers, toll-free numbers, short codes. You're going to need to know and understand all this to actually set up your SMS inside of ParaMountZ. Same for email marketing. You're going to have to set up your email API settings, which is SMTP, and you're going to have to use something like Mandrill, Mailgun, or SendGrid. Of course, if you do that, you're going to have to, again, go look for a Mandrill account, log into Mandrill, which now Mandrill is a paid MailChimp add-on, so you're going to have to create a MailChimp account. Go back. You're going to have to do all your research, understand if you're going to use Mailgun or SendGrid, then you're going to have to connect all that to get it all up and running. And while we're on the topic of creating things, let's go back to Page Builder as we create new pages. Again, we weren't supposed to have to set up anything, but now we have to create landing pages. So on the idea of doing all this email marketing and setting up all these SMTP gateways and Mandrill and SendGrid and figuring out pricing and setting up accounts, why wouldn't we just go to Aweber and sign up for an Aweber account and for the price of free? If you scroll down here up to 500 subscribers, you get everything you see here, the ability to send up to 3,000 emails a month, all the email automations that you see here, and scroll down, and yes, you get to create landing pages, and you can do all these things to create landing pages to actually set up and start building email lists, and you can do all that for free for Aweber. You didn't have to spend $12 on Paramount. But we did. We spent $12 on Paramount. Now we can scroll down here and we can create an e-com store. And again, this goes back to now we need to create a store. We need to figure out what we're going to sell in this store. We're going to have to name it. Then we're going to have to come down here and set up our address. We're going to have to create a logo. And then once we do that and create the store, after we create the page and the store, then we're going to have to set up products and everything that comes with running an e-commerce store. And if you don't have any idea how to do that, you might want to do a little research on setting that up. Then here we have analysis for visitors, websites, social media analysis, rank index analysis, domain analysis, link analysis, IP analysis. Let's scroll up and just click on this and see what it looks like. Here you can enter a domain name. Google.com, click search. Click search, no data available. 30-minute marketing.net. Click search. Whatever that is, absolutely doesn't work. Go back to analysis tools, website analysis, web analysis for any domain, google.com, search, no data available. So you have a lot of tools here. You could go through all these. They provide no value. They bring no value. Backlink and ping analysis, Google backlink search, backlink generator, website ping. Again, these are tools absolutely bring no value. Come down to training, click on training. You have some training here. Let's see, scroll down, overview video. It's going to walk you through how to search for deals, how to do all these things, basically all the things that I just showed you. They do have training, so they have that. They also have here your upgrades, which again are all available to unlock unlimited buyers, unlock limitless, unlock the lazy rich method, unlock autopilot traffic and sales with the luxury edition. And of course, they do actually have a link to the support desk so you can figure out what you need to know, and you could actually ask them what the difference between unlimited and limitless is. Because on the sales page, you were told you were going to get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 different sources. You're going to connect to your Facebook, which gives you Facebook and Instagram, and then you have some social share buttons where you have to actually start building landing pages to share out, or an e-commerce store. Of course, like I said, Facebook gives you the Facebook Business Suite to control everything you need to do business on Facebook. Aweber is free to send email as well as to build landing pages. There's options like Groove.cm, which has Groove funnels, Groove pages. It's not perfect, but it's free. It works. Everything you need to get started is all for free on the internet. There is nothing inside of ParaMountZ that you can't get for free. The only thing purchasing ParaMountZ does for you is get you on the list of this vendor so they can upsell you more unlimited chances at getting free buyer traffic from the same 300 different sources that are promoted every day from vendors just like this. And if you want to see exactly what I'm talking about, click on the video you see in the screen right now. It's all the reviews that I've done about products just like this one. Click that. It'll take you over the playlist. You can watch, get educated on products like these and the fact that you don't need them. I'll talk to you later. Bye.